finish up the job and we're heading home. Stuck in traffic. Was a pretty good day. Took us a little bit longer than we wanted, but the customer is happy. We got all the cobwebs off the house, screens clean, and we did an exterior window cleaning. And Dimitri was there doing his thing.
Yeah, I worked on the screens and cleaning the cobwebs. I took a bit longer than I wanted to, just because I really wanted to make sure I got the cobwebs off. So I ended up taking a bit of a long time doing that, but the customer was really happy with it. We got everything done. So it was a good day today.
Yep, and we're in traffic now, heading home. We're in traffic now, heading home. This is what we're dealing with going home right now. Alrighty guys, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.